Your question is find the coordinates of stationary points, nature of the stationary points. So they have given you equation y is equal to x cube plus 48 by x plus 4. Now just we will rewrite it. How? It will be just equal to x cube plus 48 x to the power of minus 1 plus 4. Now we will go for differentiation. It will be y dash is equal to d by dx of x cube. D by dx of x cube plus 48 d by dx of x to the power of minus 1 plus 4 d by dx of x to the power of 0. If you differentiate, we will get 3x square. Here we will get minus 48 x to the power of minus 2, and this will become 0. Now, so again we can rewrite it. So it will be what? 3x square minus 48 by x square. So we can rewrite it as like this. So to find it out, the stationary point we have to make it as 0. This is equal to 0. Now take the LCM. The LCM is x square. So here we will get 3x to the power of 4 minus 48. That is equal to 0. If you cross multiply it, this will go out. Again, if you see, only this value will be there. So that is divisible by 3. Divide it. So we will get minus 1 and 6 is equal to 0. Now, x to the power of 4, that is equal to 16. That is 16 now. So what is the value now? That we have to go for that. So we can say x is equal to, this is nothing but 2 to the power of 4, or we can say minus 2 to the power of 4. So this x to the power of 4 is equal to, we can say plus and minus 2 to the power of 4. So we can say x is equal to plus and minus 2. So we got two values of x. Now we will find it out the value of y. So first we will take x is equal to 2. So here we will get y is what? Just substitute these two values in your equation here. So this will be 8 plus, and this will be x, that means 2. So 48 divided by 2 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. So this is equal to, we can say it's 36. So y is 36 now. If you take x is equal to minus 2, what we will get? This is x cube, that means you will get minus 8, and this will be minus 2. So you will get minus 24 plus 4. So minus 24 plus 4 is minus 20. Minus 20 minus 8 is minus 28. Therefore, your two stationary coordinates are what? First is your 2, 36, and second is minus 2, minus 28. So these are your two stationary points. Now we will tell the nature. For nature, just we will draw a number line. The number line is like this. This will be minus 2 and this will be 2. Y means this is your x-axis. This will be your infinity, this will be your minus infinity. Now we will take the points in between them. Here we will take -3. Here we will take 0. And here we will take 3. And where we will substitute? We will substitute that value here. What we will get? So first is -3. So -3 to the power of 4 is 81. 81 minus 16. So here we will get 5 and this will be 65, which is greater than 0. That means it is increasing. Next we will take 0. 0 minus 16, we will get -16, which is less than 0. That means it is decreasing. Next we will take 3. So again we will get the same 65, which is greater than 0. That means it is increasing. So what these points -2 and 2 are where? So we can say in between the first two it is -2. In between the second and the third we will get +2. These are the points in between them. Now just we will take the points. Suppose this point is -2 and this point is -3. This point is 2 only. So first you can see it is increasing. Increasing, that means it will going from down to top. Down to top. This is increasing. Next it is decreasing. So it is decreasing like this. So this point is your maximum point. Next for 2, it is first decreasing. So decreasing, that means it is coming from the top. Increasing, it is going back to the top. So this point is your minimum point. So like this we have to do it.